Hi! Experienced roast masters believe that the more you know about your coffee, the better you can roast it. The same about your machine. Let's see how some elements of Typhoon Roaster are arranged. Do not forget that all the work that we will show in this video must be carried out by qualified personnel and with preliminary disconnection of the roaster from the power supply. To get access to USB control panel connector, we should to unscrew these bolts with 2.5 mm Allen key. Here is it. To dismantle main switcher, we should to unscrew these 4 bolts with 3 mm Allen key. That's it. To remove the cooling tray, it is necessary for the first to unscrew these bolts. Down the road, by my half sheep. Down the road. Lift the cooling tray up. To remove the motor, it's necessary. Loosen the fixation bolts on the motor. While holding the motor, unscrew the bolts. Remove the motor from its seat. To get the access to electric air heaters, we should to unscrew these 5 bolts. That's our air heaters. Also, you can reach bottom sensor from here. And roasting chamber sensor from here. To change the bulb, use the service hatch at the top of the roaster. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'll show you how to remove the hopper. Down the road, by my half sheep. Down the road, by my half sheep. To reduce vibration, we have to be sure that space between motor wall and the wall of the roaster is 2 mm. For the first, we have to remove covering for that. Down the road, by my half sheep. Down the road, by my half sheep. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. To check the space, you can use this 2 mm stainless steel plate. It comes with a roaster. These knowledges will help you to be more confident during maintenance and better understand construction of the roaster. See you next time. Down the road, by my half sheep. Down the road, by my half sheep.